Mouse flower, mouse flower, mouse flower.
Secret. You know? Look. Yo. Yo, what's up? This is only a video for Jacob. Yo, I'm gonna play MM2 now.
I'm gonna get a chair, okay? So I'm gonna get a small chair, okay? Okay?
Just never mind that talk. Just wait. Just don't. Never mind that talk.
Ay, no. No, Saya, no.
Mom,
Because you will have a hard time getting the small chair. You mean the small chair that you use at the table? You're having a hard time, mine. If you bring a small chair here inside.
look at this one. And then I put it in the bottom.
Yo! You know I always do a trick shot. Should I? No. Bob! Punch! Yo, what is happening? I think I will do a trick shot or I will get murdered. Boom, Bob. OMG. Okay, I will kill the murd.
Why you say that? Hey, look, why you say that word?
Because it's not bad.
Bad?
That's not.
No, this enemy. Okay.
Oh! I heard someone got killed. Where is it?
There's an enemy.
What happened? Yo, what happened? I said what happened? Yo!
No.
Yeah, excuse me? Let me trick shot. You do a trick shot? You do a trick shot, babe? Yeah! Tita Nice, I just did a trick shot in the MM2. And this is the end of this video. Bye. Ayun, nothing. Why the sentence? Ah! Bye. Okay, I'm just gonna stop recording.